everyone, I'm Janaya, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a mini skirt for your doll. First, you're going to need a t-shirt, scissors, and a hot glue gun. First, we're going to cut a square out of the shirt. Then you're going to take your doll and wrap the piece of fabric all around her. Like that. But first I'm going to open the fabric, take my hot glue gun, and just put a little glue all around the fabric. And now I'm going to be careful to fold the fabric. And now I'm going to do the same for the top, but I am not going to fold it that much. I am just going to fold it right up to here. Now I am going to fold it like I did with the bottom. And there we go. Now I'm going to take my doll and wrap it around her. Since my fabric is a bit stretchy, I can just pull it and just wrap it around her. Now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put a little bit of glue. That seems like enough. Now I'm just going to put it over. And the same for the top. And there you go. Now you have a skirt for your doll. And I can pull the skirt on and off. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.